YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back. So again today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180. As you guys can tell from, about 20 seconds ago when you saw that pretty intro, this thing is stripped down to nothing. If you guys want to know how I got here, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We'll actually have a full playlist where we've torn this thing apart from the outside in. For today's video, I want to talk about the actual thrust jet located at the back of the cleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the plate and then kind of tell you guys about the parts that are included with that. So only tool that you guys will need for this will be a Phillips head screwdriver. Again, don't need to remove it down to the point where I'm at right now to do this quick fix. You guys can actually do this with both the top and the bottom on the cleaner. So this can be done from the outside, but this is one of the last things that we saw here on the cleaner and wanted to walk it through with you guys. So again, thrust jet. So the whole point of this is to help kind of give the direction of the cleaner from the back. So I highly recommend not messing with the direction of this. I would definitely read your user manual before you guys start messing with the thrust jet. It can definitely cause some issues with how your cleaner performs. So making sure that you guys are understanding how to move it is really important. So check out that user manual. It'll actually walk you guys through it. So it is a three-part piece. You'll actually have your jet nozzle. You'll actually have the turbine. You'll have the thrust jet cover with the screws. And then located inside this part, there is an O-ring that helps keep everything watertight. For those of you guys who don't know, with the feed pipe, as your pressure's coming in, it diverts to different sections. So you'll have one that'll actually go out to your tail sweep that can be adjusted with your adjustment screw. And then you're gonna have one that's gonna come down to the thrust jet. And then it actually connects underneath and is a part of the Venturi jet that also throws the debris up from the bottom into your bag. So it is one of the main pieces. So making sure that you guys are adjusting this properly to make sure that everything operates correctly is very important. So read that user manual when you guys are trying to adjust the thrust jet, but I wanted to show you guys how to remove it and then how to actually make sure that when you guys put it back together, you're putting it back correctly. So the O-ring is going to go in first into the slot, just like you guys saw me take it off. Make sure that it's in there around the edge. It's not blocking the actual orifice where the water's going to come out and the air's going to come out. And then when you guys are putting this on, obviously the ball goes to the back side, which is going to attach to the cleaner. And then from there, you're just going to go ahead and screw on your new piece and try to get it as close to the direction as you had it originally. And then again, refer to that user manual to learn how to adjust it properly. But just want to show you guys how to get access to that thrust jet and go ahead and remove it and show you guys how to reinstall it properly. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.